Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So welcome to my series of cooking recipes that I make. So in today's today's video, I'm going to make a veg dish, that is the paneer. It's the paneer Bhurji that I'll be making, and I'll be making it full of fat and a lot of cream I'll be using, and cheese. And the fiber in this is the onions and the tomato, and definitely the paneer that I'll be using is a source of protein. So this makes a complete meal with the paneer and the onion and the tomato, which is the veggies in this, and also the clarified butter which I'll be using, and the cream, a lot of quantity, so that adds to the fat. So let's get started quickly. I'll add some clarified butter in this, some ghee, and this is a high fat recipe because fat is a source of energy. So when you have this, you'll not feel hungry for a long time. It will give you sufficient quantity of energy to work for the entire day. Preferably you can eat this at your breakfast. So we'll add some cumin seeds, and let it start crackling, then we'll add the other stuff in it. So the ghee, clarified butter is heated enough, and this cumin seeds have started crackling. Soon we'll add this onions and reduce the flame to medium and give this a nice good mix. Let it saute for some time, and we'll add some ginger garlic paste. So that's almost 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and give this a nice good mix. You can also add to this use the coconut oil, but I preferred using the clarified ghee in this recipe of mine. So there are many health issues and health concern regarding using the vegetable oil in food. Yes, I'll be discussing all of it in detail in my upcoming videos and a lot of vlogs in my channel. So if you're eager to know more about healthy eating and healthy cooking, then do subscribe to my channel if you're new to watching my videos. So this is the start of all the healthy recipes, the series of healthy diet and food recipes that I am making. And soon this will follow with a lot of veg and non-veg food. So it's time to add the tomatoes and give this a good mix. So there is no carbs which are added in this recipe of mine, the paneer bhurji. And if you are aware or you have heard of the ketogenic diet, then you'll be quite familiar with the food that is consumed on a ketogenic diet. So there's the protein, the paneer, the vegetable, and lots of clarified butter, the fat, and the cream which will be included in this, and a little amount of cheese. So let us give this a quick, nice, good mix, so that this raw flavor, the raw smell, the aroma of it should go away, of the ginger garlic paste, and it gets into a nice good mix, the tomatoes and the onions. And I'm not going to make this very spicy and add a lot of the Indian masalas in this, the powder, but I'm just going to keep it simple enough by just adding the pepper in this. So let's quickly grate. I'll reduce the flame. We'll grate the paneer in this. So let's give this a nice good mix. I have grated all the paneer. And let me add the pepper powder to this. We're not going to make it too spicy, just adding the pepper powder in this and some salt. Just sprinkle some amount of salt and give this a nice good mix. I'll add some amount of garam masala to this, just sprinkling some amount of garam masala, which will add a little flavor to it. So this is the cream that I'll be adding, some amount of cream. You can also use the Amul cream which comes in the Tetra pack, or you can buy cream from the local dairy. Use nice good thick cream and we'll give this a good mix. Just now increase the flame to medium and give this a nice good mix. You can also add a chili, 1 or 2, during the seasoning when we have added the tomatoes and the onions. That will also add good flavor to this. So I'm going to add a little bit of kasuri methi to this, dry fenugreek leaves, just to add a little flavor. Yes, and also I'll be garnishing it with some chopped coriander leaves. So all these herbs, they add to the flavor of the dish. So give this a nice good mix. So it's cooking for quite some time now, and I wanted the excess moisture to get away and this to become a little thick. So I kept it on very low flame for almost 5 to 7 minutes. And it's time to empty it now in another dish. I'll put the gas off. So since it's hot now, I'm just going to grate some cheese on this so that the cheese will melt in it. So what I'm going to do is, in this same kadai that I prepared it, I'm going to add some ghee in this, just a little bit, just 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, and I'm going to add some cashews in this. I'm just going to roast it a bit, and these cashews are going to be used for the garnishing on this. So it will also add some little crunchy taste to this bhurji that I've prepared. So just add some cashews. You can also use it for the garnishing, or while preparing the dish, just dry roast some cashews and add it in this bhurji. By roasting it a bit, it adds to the flavor. It gives a nice good flavor. Don't over braise it for a long time, just a bit. Yeah, I think that's done. I'll put the gas off and I'll empty it, remove it quickly, and just add it on this. I'll just garnish it with some finely chopped coriander leaves. So yes guys, it's done. It's the paneer bhurji, and what you call is, it's a high fat low carb diet, and it's very nutritious, and this is a healthy recipe. This is the start to my series of diet recipes and healthy recipes, healthy cooking and high fat food. There's a lot of stuff to come up on my channel, a lot of more recipes and videos to come up, and definitely you will enjoy watching all these videos of mine. And there's a lot of variety, a lot of stuff that I put up and I upload. So you can see this looks so yummy and nice, and those roasted cashews and the cheese used for garnishing and the topping, and that coriander, and lots of paneer and cream. So this makes a very good breakfast food. With lots of fat being added in this, you have the energy for the entire day. So guys, yes, subscribe to my channel for all such recipes to come up, and definitely you will enjoy watching my videos. And drop your comments below in the comment section if you all have any suggestions or queries regarding my recipes, and stay tuned for my more updates. Bye bye. I'll see you all in more videos to come up.